Hello, this is Shilpa here. I am the career counselor at Maximus. I'll go through a few specifics of the Informatica Big Data Management, that is BDM training. In this course, we will cover fundamental to advanced levels of education. If you are only concerned with receiving basic or intermediate guidance, it is also possible. We completely customize everyone's training program. Therefore, before giving the training to you, whether you are an individual or a business, we will change the agenda according to your requirements or the demands of your project. So, here is the agenda for what the trainer is going to cover in this Informatica BDM, that is Big Data Management Training session, that is the video's introduction, features, course content, certification including target audience ones, prerequisites, job opportunities, overview of Maximus, corporate training benefits, individual training benefits, conclusion, and last, contact details. So, in this slide, we will understand what is the Informatica Big Data Management, that is the introduction part. Also, why organizations or the company may choose to use Informatica Big Data Management. So, let me read out. The integrated development tool Informatica Big Data Management is built on a graphical user interface. Organizations use this technology to develop data governance, data integration, and quality processes for their big data platforms. It gives the organization its capacity to handle massive, varied, and dynamic data sets quickly so you can gain insights from your information. To integrate and process large amounts of data without writing or maintaining external code, consider big data management. Now comes why organization may choose to use Informatica Big Data Management. So of course there are a lot of reasons for this, but the most significant one is that the new big data technologies are developing on a daily basis. Large corporations have invested in this industry, which has gained many new technologies. The sector began to grow rapidly with Hadoop, which was created in 2006 by Doug Cutting and sparked in 2004 by Google Cutting System Paper. Next, we have the features of Informatica Big Data Management. So, what are the features? Allow me to read. First one, working with primary Hadoop distributors. Cluster connection capability with a single click visual interface development. Next, over 100 pre-made connectors and conversations. Potential to operate with Spark and Blaze engines. Utilization of data quality and profiling characteristics. For optimum productivity, use the SQL to mapping, dynamic mapping, and mass ingestion functions. Next slide, we have the course content as well as the topics. So we'll discuss about it. To master the principles of data integration, comprehend the architecture of Informatica Big Data Management, and get the skills required to manage large data. To distinguish between different Informatica BDM editions and their features, utilize the developer tool to create projects and comprehend the mapping between Hive and Hadoop for complex datasets. Next, how to monitor, run, and comprehend mappings in a Hadoop context as well as Hadoop data loading methods. The participants out to experience managing mistakes and effectively debugging Informatica BDM issues. Next, we have the topics here: designer, repository manager, workflow manager, workflow monitor, center admin console. Now, the course materials or the topics, whatever you say, that I have so far shown you are listed here, is what the instructor at this training session might be expected to do, or you say he or she might be discussing with you. So, moving on to the next slide, we have the certification. So, what are the benefits of certification for BDM? Technology workers can validate their ability to use the Informatica BDM tool to efficiently handle large volumes of data by earning the Informatica with Big Data Management certification. It involves basic ideas like streaming, replication, and data input. Employers use this certification to verify that staff members are competent in integrating data with big data ecosystems such as Hadoop. So, this tool makes data loading, manipulation, and extraction efficient. Furthermore, it helps with maintaining data security and quality as well as complete big data parsing. When used across a variety of industries, this certification does in fact ensure increased productivity when handling complex data, which leads to improved company decisions and strategies. Data Engineering 10.2 certification for professionals. These tests assess your proficiency as a big data developer, including fundamentals like Hadoop, application services, intricate file parsing, and the workings of data integration with developer tools. Test your familiarity with Kafka, mappings, big data streaming, monitoring, and troubleshooting. So, this is the certification. So, now moving on to the next slide, we have the target audience for Informatica with BDM certification training. Let me read out for you. IT professionals looking to use big data tools, database administrators and developers, ETL and data warehousing specialist, business and data analyst, professionals interested in data integration and management, software engineers and professionals looking to advance their Informatica skills, and students, or you may say candidates, hoping to work in data analytics. Next slide, we have the leading employers of Informatica with BDM certified experts. Informatica with BDM certified individuals are in high demand from a number of prestigious firms. Among them are global IT behemoths like Oracle, IBM, Wipro, Capgemini, and TCS, that is Tata Consultancy Services. Additionally, companies that process payments like Visa, Flexera, and Infoverity, a global consulting organization, are searching for these people. So next slide we have the prerequisites. To enroll in the Informatica with PDM training course, you must be familiar with the fundamentals of databases. It helps to have some experience with big data technologies like MapReduce, Yarn, and Hadoop, in addition to some SQL writing experience. Proficiency in Java, Linux, and XML would be highly beneficial. So you could have understand that who all are eligible to this big data management learning session. Now comes the job opportunities in top countries. They are India, Belgium, France, UAE, Italy, Spain, Portugal, Singapore, Netherlands, and Ireland. Next, the job opportunities in top companies. Here we have the option, not exactly option. Here we have the company name, you may say, like Accenture, PwC, Infosys, IBM, Capgemini, MetLife, and ITC Infotech. So, what are the job vacancies for Informatica BDM available worldwide? So, according to my vision, like the finest resource for finding a job in India is Naukri.com. So you can check out the Naukri website. So for you guys, I have already opened it. So you can see here the work mode, work from office, how many vacancies available here. Then location also you can change, you can check from here according to your requirement. Compensation packages you can see from here. This is also according to your requirement. Then comes the role category. Then companies you can see from here, in which companies the availability is there for this BDM job opportunities. These are the companies. Now, DICE may be your greatest option for you guys if you are looking for employment openings in USA. Let's have a look. So you can search from here according to the requirement. You will get the result. Now, if anyone is looking for a job worldwide, so they can use LinkedIn, which is the ideal site for doing it. So you can search from here and you can check. So these are the vacancies you will get through Worldwide. Okay, now moving into the next slide, we have the introduction of the Max Munoz company. Now, Max Munoz is a 15-year-old corporate training and project consulting company. Max Munoz successfully has completed 1000 plus corporate training. Excellent feedback and appreciation from corporate clients across the world. Customized training to individual is the main USP. That is, one-to-one training can be arranged. Delivered training across the globe, like in USA, UK, Finland, Sweden, Germany, Netherlands, etc. So next slide we have the name of the top clients for whom we have already provided the training session in India as well as outside of India of Informatica BDM, that is Big Data Management. Moving into the next slide, we have corporate training benefits. So what are the corporate training benefits of Informatica Big Data Management from Max Munoz? According to the needs of the company's project, training content can be modified. Okay. We do offer Informatica Big Data Management training at the installation and configuration levels. After a training session has been successfully completed, employees may begin working on projects right away with the help of Max Munoz Corporate Training Program. Even you get to pick the venue, the training style, and the schedule that works best for you. Every participant or every candidates will get certificates confirming they have completed the course. So next we have the individual training benefits of Max Munoz, and the benefits are customized training to individual is the main USP. Implementation and configuration level of Informatica BDM training, industry specific subject matter experts trainers for individual projects, Informatica Big Data Management course completion certificate to the candidate. Candidate will get to know the details of the certification exam process. Next, here is the conclusion. So, as we get to the end of today's session, I can say that the utilizing the power of your big data environments, Informatica BDM technology will enable you to run all these improvements and make it easier for you to follow the impact analysis in the future. It will also make it easier for your company to integrate into new or existing big data technologies. Now comes the contact details. So you can call us on the numbers given here if you have any queries or if you want to sign up for our training session of Informatica BDM. Please make a note of all the phone numbers given here. Even on WhatsApp, you may contact us at the listed numbers here. You may also send an email to contact@maxmunas.com, which is provided here. Additionally, one may quickly contact us by using the URL provided in the description box. In addition, you may also leave a note in our live chat box here, and the appropriate individual will reply right away and answer of all your queries about the training session. So, join us as soon as possible for excellent career progression at Informatica BDM. I sincerely hope you will adore and savor the entire training course with Max Munas. The main duty we have is to guarantee candidate fulfillment. Thank you.